Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to redeem Roblox Gift Card on iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Redeeming your Roblox Gift Card on your iPhone is fast and easy. Now heading into a web browser, you need to use a web browser, and we'll first just go to roblox.com, and you're just going to log into your account here. Hit Login. After you've done that, and now at the top left, tap the 3 lines menu will appear, and tap Gift Cards at the bottom. Here, then redeem at the top right. Now all you need to do is enter in that code. So if you have gift card, just enter the code of that gift card here. After you've done that, tap on the Robux icon at the top right and you can see the Robux should be automatically filled. If it's not, you might need to hit Buy Robux and then just go in here and buy however much Robux correspond with that gift card. And then you can hit the Redeem Roblox Gift Card and then just enter that code in again. But a lot of times, it just automatically tops up your Robux, and you're good to go. So that's basically how you can redeem Roblox Gift Card on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.